Welcome to Review the Best by your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical stylish kitchen gadgets, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from stylish kitchen gadgets, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best stylish kitchen gadgets from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Professional Electric Knife Sharpener with 100% diamond abrasives and precision angle guides. Upgrade your kitchen with the Professional Electric Knife Sharpener, featuring 100% diamond abrasives and precision angle guides for razor-sharp edges. This 3-stage sharpening system restores, hones, and polishes your knives effortlessly. Stages 1 and 2 use ultra-hard diamond abrasives to sharpen and refine, while Stage 3 polishes to a smooth finish, making your knives look brand new. Designed for both metal and ceramic knives, this sharpener ensures professional level sharpness in seconds. With a 15-degree sharpening angle, it easily converts 20-degree edges into finer, sharper blades for effortless cutting. The German imported motor delivers powerful yet energy-efficient performance, operating quietly at 60 to 80 dcf. The elastic and constant force design provides a full-length, arch-shaped edge, while magnetic knife chip collection makes cleanup quick and easy. Just switch it on, pull your knife back evenly, and get a perfectly sharpened blade in as little as 10 seconds. Say goodbye to dull knives and hello to effortless slicing. Number 2. Mixing bowls with Airtight lids set. 26 PCS stainless steel Khaki bowls with Grater attachments. Upgrade your kitchen with the Mixing Bowls with Airtight lids set, a 26-piece stainless steel set designed for effortless food prep and storage. These versatile nesting bowls come in 6 sizes, 1 QT from 7 QT, and feature airtight lids to keep ingredients fresh and prevent spills. The 3.5 QT bowl includes a removable lid insert, perfect for adding ingredients or using a blender. Plus, 3 grater attachments like slicing, grating, shredding allow you to prep directly into the bowl. The non-slip silicone bottoms keep the bowls steady on countertops, while the food-grade stainless steel ensures durability, rust resistance, and long-lasting performance. Cleaning is easy with a dishwasher-safe design. Kids hand wash recommended. The set also includes essential kitchen tools like a brush, spatula, whisk, and measuring spoons. Perfect for mixing, prepping, and serving, this space-saving set fits neatly into cabinets and fridge shelves. Elevate your kitchen game today. Number 3. Sangcon Gravity Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. Automatic Shakers Mill Grinder. Upgrade your kitchen with the Sangcon Gravity Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set, designed for effortless seasoning with just a flip. Featuring advanced gravity sensing technology, these automatic grinders require no buttons. Simply tilt to activate. The large capacity design holds 184 g by 6.5 oz of sea salt and 100 g by 3.5 oz of pepper, reducing frequent refills. The adjustable ceramic grinder lets you customize the coarseness to suit your dishes perfectly, while the built-in blue LED light ensures precise seasoning even in dim lighting. Made with BPA-free acrylic for easy viewing, the detachable bottle design makes refilling and cleaning a breeze. Powered by 4 3A batteries that are not included, this battery-operated grinder set is perfect for home kitchens, restaurants, parties, and even outdoor picnics. It also makes a fantastic gift for Mother's Day, Father's Day, or Christmas. Experience hands-free grinding with style and convenience. Number 4. AMMZO Meat Thermometer Digital Instant Read Food Thermometer, waterproof for cooking. Get perfectly cooked meals every time with the AMMZO Digital Meat Thermometer, designed for ultra-fast and highly accurate temperature readings in just 2 to 4 seconds. With a precision sensor and +/- 2 degree Fahrenheit accuracy, this thermometer supports both Celsius and Fahrenheit -58 degree Fahrenheit to 572 degree Fahrenheit, making it ideal for BBQ, grilling, baking, frying, and even candy making. The IP67 waterproof rating allows for easy cleaning under running water, while the large 1.65-inch backlight display ensures effortless reading in any lighting. Featuring a retractable stainless steel probe, anti-slip grip, and a built-in magnetic back for convenient storage, it's designed for ease of use. The auto-off function saves battery life, and the hold button locks the temperature for safer reading. Comes with 2-button batteries, a battery opener, a food temperature guide, and lifetime customer support. No more guesswork, cook with confidence. Number 5. Electric Spin Scrubber. 10-in-1 Airpher cordless cleaning brush for bathroom, tub, tile, floor, kitchen. Make cleaning effortless with the Airpher 10-in-1 electric spin scrubber. This cordless waterproof cleaning brush comes with 9 replaceable brush heads and a detachable 4-section handle, 29 to 47 inches, allowing you to tackle bathtubs, tiles, floors, kitchen surfaces, and more without bending or kneeling. The powerful motor delivers up to 120 minutes of continuous cleaning on a single charge, making it easy to remove stubborn stains in just 15 minutes instead of an hour. Its IPX8 waterproof rating ensures durability while the lightweight and ergonomic design provides comfort. Use different brush heads for grout, sinks, stoves, wooden floors, and even windows. The included hook makes storage simple, and the Type-C charging ensures fast recharging. A perfect gift for busy parents, seniors, or anyone who wants to make cleaning easier. Say goodbye to back pain and hello to a sparkling clean home. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.